This quality-built home in the convenient Northwest Knoxville location boasts of 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. This home is all brick with vinyl replacement windows. Notice the serene covered front porch as you enter the home. The floors have hardwood flooring under the carpet. The combo kitchen and dining area have a quaint and comfortable feel. There are security panels on the front and back doors. The yard is level and partially fenced with professional landscaping. The 8x10 storage shed adds lots of storage when added to the carport storage garage, and the attic has flooring for even more storage. Sit on the back patio and enjoy the peace and quiet of a sunny afternoon. A 13-month home warranty is offered with this property. This home is neat, clean, and ready for its new owners to move into.